How to improve your English listening with active engagement techniques. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Start. Do you ever feel like native English speakers talk too fast? Maybe you recognize some words, but by the time you process them, the conversation has already moved on. The problem isn't your ears, it's how your brain processes English. In today's video, I'll show you why passive listening isn't enough, and 6 powerful techniques to train your brain to understand English faster. Step 1. Listen with a purpose. Don't just hear. Passive listening, just playing English in the background, doesn't help much. Instead, engage with the content. Listen for keywords and main ideas, not every word. Predict what the speaker will say next. Pause and repeat key sentences aloud. Try this. Listen to a 2-minute clip and summarize it in 1 sentence. Step 2. Slow down and speed up audio for training. Your brain adapts to fast speech when exposed gradually. Start at normal speed. Listen at 1.2x or 1.5x speed to challenge your brain. Go back to normal speed, it will feel slower and easier. Try this. Listen to an English podcast at 1.2x speed today. Step 3. Shadow native speakers for faster processing. Shadowing forces your brain to catch up to real English speed. Listen to a sentence. Repeat it immediately, matching the speaker's speed. Focus on pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Try this. Find a short audio clip and shadow it 3 times today. Step 4. Train with real conversations, not just textbook audio. Most learners use slow, clear English, but real conversations are different. Train your ears with interviews, BBC, NPR, Joe Rogan podcast. Movies and TV shows, watch without subtitles. YouTube vlogs, native speakers talking naturally. Try this. Listen to a native English interview and focus on how words connect. Final challenge, improve your English listening in 1 week. For the next 7 days, listen with a purpose. Engage, predict, and summarize. Speed up and slow down audio for training. Practice shadowing native speakers. Train with real, natural conversations. Comment below, what's the hardest part of English listening for you? Let's improve together. Train your ears and see you in the next video.